Fired, then hours later reinstated. Some 1,300 staff at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention were due to be laid off, only for termination notices for around 700 to be rescinded. According to Reuters, the confusion and uncertainty added to a bitter standoff in Congress that's led to key federal government services like the CDC shutting down, compounded by the Trump administration ordering the firing of 4,000 employees across a number of departments. For opposition Democrats, the cost of healthcare is at the center of the deadlock over funding the federal government. They want to retain subsidies aimed at offsetting medical costs that are due to expire this year and say Republicans won't negotiate.
This is about the cost of people's health care. They are holding people's health care hostage. When these subsidies, if they in fact go away, people are they're one injury or illness away from bankruptcy.
But Republicans who control Congress are focused on the ballooning national debt that periodically triggers these shutdowns when the federal government hits its borrowing limits and requires bipartisan agreement to raise them.
We got a $37 trillion debt. That's the tough situation right now. Thank goodness the president's stepping up and saying we're going to help our troops.
While thousands of workers are either working without pay or furloughed, President Donald Trump on Saturday said members of the armed services would be paid using funds earmarked for research and development. The federal employees being fired follow around 200,000 positions already culled this year as part of Trump's pledge to cut the size of the federal government as soon as he took office. At the CDC, the new layoffs compound weeks of turbulence after its advisory board was replaced amid changes to guidance on the administration of vaccines during childhood that have split the science community. Owen, Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.